Probably wondering how I got here. Stay tuned and you'll find out.
Zone. Trap all day, get this shit gone. Beating up the block till the sun gone. I be on a mission, James Bond. Hit the block all black, it gone. Smoother for the good sheets, I don't do bomb. Tell me bust down the pound, get this shit gone. That dark OG shit too strong. And I ain't going in the crib till this shit gone. Trap all day, get this shit gone. Beating up the block till the sun gone. I be on a mission, James Bond. Hit the block all black, it gone. Smoother for the good sheets, I don't do bomb. Tell me bust down the pound, get this shit gone. That dark OG shit too strong. And I ain't going in the crib till this shit gone. Just like magic, I got get it gone. Tripping on niggas like fish in a sponge. Potion on me for a run. Drizzy out rap, but I ain't Lil John. Bust down them ditties, come get you a song. Dishes Oppo and this Hercules strong. She's with the funnel, no back with a bomb. Bust on plane, get the whole thing gone. 350 my kicks and 350 a song. I could've taught the fuck boys high zone. Me and my scale, 16 zone. Too many plays, just one zone. Feel like a king, watch you trap on the throne. Strapping the stick so you know we get stoned. Doc OG with the control. And I'm shooting shit like Sylvester Stallone. African pluggy from Sierra Leone. He flood me with work and I got get it gone. I run it up on 2 cellular phones. Young nigga fly like he going to prom. Blocking the suit feeling like James Bond. But after this shit, all black ain't calm. Long lit Quake and long lit Quan. I beat up the block, I get that gun. All day, get this shit gone. Beating up the block till the sun gone. I be on the mission, James Bond. Hit the block all black, it gone. Smoother funnel with the sheets, I don't do bombs. Tell me bust down the pound, get this shit gone. That dark OG shit too strong. And I ain't going in the crib till this shit gone. Trap all day, get this shit gone. Beating up the block till the sun gone. I be on a mission, James Bond. Hit the block all black, it gone. Smoother funnel with the sheets, I don't do bombs. Tell me bust down the pound, get this shit gone. That dark OG shit too strong. And I ain't going in the crib till this shit gone.
He about to do that shit.
Yo, man, that's my shit, bro.
He up next. No jazz, no funny. Oh! Hey, bro, you good, fool?
Yeah.
Oh, shit leaking. Oh, shit.
Back, mate. God damn.
Damn.
That shit done.
Is he okay? Yeah, he good.
Let me see.
Damn. Oh,
Hey, go ahead. That there.
damn. I'm glad my man's alright, Mo. I'm glad you I let that bike go, cuz. For real, Bo. Hey, that shit when I fall back on you.
I was about to let the J go Eve. I still. Hey, man, I know my ass scraped up.
Damn.
Bad back, Travis. Grab a clutch for me. Ooh, this shit, too. My ass could. You got it in?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I do.
Ah, shit.
My man, alright, Mo, for real. When I saw that shit.
Deck that. Shit.
Damn, your hand, though. Damn.
What would you have done? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.